So, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to do the unboxing of Huawei Pure 70 X image. Here is the specification of this phone. It's ROM 256 GB, RAM 12 GB. It's a black color. So dual SIM. It's pretty good. So we are going to unbox this phone. Okay, I'm going to do the unboxing of this one. Pretty good. So Bismillah. So in box we have a phone. This is the phone that we have. In box we have this. This is the pin. This is the guideline. And this is the cover. Pretty good. Okay. Okay, we have charger is 66 watt. Is a pretty fast charger. We have this is the C-type cable, 6 ampere. Is a pretty good. Now we are going to check the phone. This is the phone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow, it's beautiful. Look so beautiful. Beautiful Huawei. Okay, now we are going to turn on this phone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.